Hello everyone, my name is Miss Jenny here at the Merrimack Public Library, and if you did not know, now you know. So I have a pig bagel to make for all of you guys, and I'm so excited to make this, and it is something super fun, super easy for little guys to make at home. So let's just get right into it. So you are going to need some bagels. I have some cinnamon raisin bagels because I thought that they would be extra sweet and delicious. I could not find any strawberry cream cheese, so I have some mixed berry cream cheese. Then I have some strawberries, some blueberries, but if you don't want to use blueberries, maybe you want to use some chocolate chips or something like that, and a banana. So those are all the ingredients that we're going to need. Little tip, trick, heads up for parents. This is something that the kiddos can absolutely customize to their own accord. If theirs does not look like a pig, that's okay. Maybe theirs has spots. Maybe their pig isn't pink or purple, like mine's gonna be purple. Maybe theirs is a chive cream cheese or something like that. Maybe their pig has 4 eyes, or maybe they have no eyes, or something like that. I would love to see everyone's creations, so please make sure to put them on Instagram and tag us at Merrimack LIBNH, or put them on Facebook, or tweet them to us over on Twitter. Would love to see them. Let's go right into this because Miss Yvette is pretty hungry, and I'm going to make this one for her. All right, so as you can see, I've got my bagel. I toasted mine, it's a little crispy. So we are going to take this cream cheese. I like to get the whipped cream cheese because it's a little bit easier to work with. And we are going to spread it all over. So like I said, this one is a little bit more purple than it is pink, but that is totally fine because it's going to be so cute at the end. And maybe you don't like to use strawberries. Strawberries are my favorite fruit, but maybe you like cherries, or maybe you like a certain type of cracker or something. You can use these as much or as little as you'd like. It is entirely up to you. Like I said, I just want to see what everyone's making because I think it's so cool that we can make things with the same idea, whoops, and they can come out so differently. All right, so I've got them nice and coated, so I'll be able to put this back in the refrigerator. All right, now let's go to our strawberries. And I'm using a butter knife, but you could very easily use a spoon for that part, or a plastic knife. I have these strawberries, so I'm just going to cut the ends off, put them over here, and then I'm going to cut them in half so that they make little triangles, and I'm gonna stick them right on like this for my pig. And let's get another strawberry. Let's do this one. So again, we're just cutting the ends off and we're being very safe. And then we're cutting them down the middle. These ones are a little bit more rounded. Again, isn't it so cool that all these things can be with the same idea and look a little bit different? All right, and then we're gonna get some blueberries. Now, I already washed and dried all my blueberries. They're just very cold because our refrigerator here at work is very nippy. So I have one eye, and I'm gonna put another eye over here. And then this one needs some eyes, so I'm gonna do a little bit smaller of an eye over here, and let's do this eye. Perfect. Now I have this banana, and as you can see, we're almost at a pig, but not quite. Pigs have what? What's their snout. So I'm just going to take this banana off to the side, and I am going to cut it over on this surface over here where it is significantly safer and not on the table. And we're just going to make a little banana round. And look at that, I have my first pig. And now I get to do the second one. So again, using this little thing as a surface over here. And then we're going to just peel it off. And there's another pig. And then I have paper towels for my hands. And I'm gonna kind of wipe them off so I can swivel this back up. And just like that, pig bagels. These are 2 of the 3 little pigs. And if you watch our next video, then you'll be able to see how the little pigs build their houses and a little snack we can make with all that. So again, I hope you make these. Don't want them to fall. I think that they are super, super cute, and I would love to see your creations with them. So enjoy, bon appetit, and I would love to see them. I will link all, or not link, but I will list all the ingredients and directions below. With that, have a great day, stay safe, stay healthy, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!